Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of 2025, the all-new Lexus GX 550. This isn't just a refresh, it's a complete reinvention. Lexus took the rugged DNA of the GX, injected it with cutting-edge tech, and wrapped it in a head-turning design. Whether you're a luxury family adventurer or an off-road enthusiast, the GX 550 promises to blend opulence with unstoppable capability. Stick around as we break down its features, performance, price, and why it might just dethrone rivals like the Land Rover Defender or Mercedes G-Class. Rocket features and functions. Tech Suite. 14-inch touchscreen with Lexus interface, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto. Digital key, unlock/start via smartphone. Advanced safety, Lexus Safety System 3.0, pre-collision assist, lane tracing, radar cruise. Off-road monitors, panoramic view plus underbody camera for rock crawling. Premium amenities. Climate console coolers, chilled storage for drinks. 21-speaker Mark Levinson 3D surround sound. OTA updates, always up-to-date software. Sparkles interior and exterior changes. Exterior. Bold new styling, muscular fenders, aggressive spindle grille, and available triple-beam LED headlights. Rugged touches, standard roof rails, available skid plates, and 33-inch all-terrain tires, Overtrail trim. Dimensions: 2.1 inches longer, 3.7 inches wider versus 2023 model, more cabin space plus improved stance. Interior. Luxury materials, semi-aniline leather, authentic brushed aluminum trim, and ambient lighting. Seating, standard 3-row, 7-seat, optional captain's chairs. Massaging/heated/ventilated front seats. Cargo tech, hands-free power tailgate, load-leveling rear suspension, lowers for easier loading. High-voltage performance. Engine, 3.4L twin-turbo V6, 349 HP/479 lb-ft torque, replaces old V8. Transmission, 10-speed automatic plus full-time 4WD with Torsen limited slip-center diff. Off-road prowess. Electronic kinetic dynamic suspension, adjusts stabilizer bars for articulation. Multi-terrain select, sand, mud, snow, rock modes. Towing, 8,000 pounds capacity, best in class for luxury midsize SUVs. On-road refinement, adaptive dampers plus noise-canceling glass for whisper-quiet cruising. White heavy checkmark advantages versus competitors, 530 to 630. Capability meets luxury, genuine off-road hardware, like a locking rear diff, without sacrificing premium comfort. Toyota reliability, built on the rugged TNGAF platform, shared with Land Cruiser, fewer headaches than European rivals. Fuel efficiency, 18 mpg combined, up from 15 mpg in the V8 model. Customization, 3 trims, premium, luxury, Overtrail with off-road or urban focus. Moneybag price in USD. Starting MSRP, $64,250, premium trim. Overtrail, off-road focus $72,000, adds crawl control, front/rear lockers, 18-inch wheels. Luxury trim, $80,500, prioritizes comfort with air suspension, executive rear seats. Fully loaded, $95,000, includes options like rear seat entertainment, premium paint. Thinking Face final thoughts. The 2025 GX 550 is Lexus's mic drop. It finally bridges the gap between overland-ready toughness and first-class luxury, no compromises. The twin-turbo V6 is a beast, the tech is cutting-edge, and that Overtrail trim? It's a Jeep Wrangler in a tuxedo. Sure, the infotainment can be fussy, and fuel economy won't win eco prizes, but for adventurers who want capability without sacrificing sushi-grade refinement, the GX 550 is a home run. If you've got $65,000 to $95,000 to spend, this should be at the top of your test drive list. Love this breakdown? Smash that like button, it helps more SUV fans find this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for in-depth reviews of the hottest new cars.